That's what we're gonna do today.
East Trail.
East Trail.
Loop.
Yeah, we're gonna go from here. We're parked right here right now. Yeah. We're gonna go up here, all the way around, probably out to here, back, and then all the way around back to here, and then walk back over here. Make the full circle.
So we're gonna do 5 miles?
It's about 4.6, but with this we gotta add this loop in there. So yeah, it'll be 5 miles-ish. All right, so that is what we're up against today. We'll see how this goes. Here you go. Don't get your feet wet. Jump. Come on, girls. Don't get your feet wet.
Jump the other side. No, you're not gonna make it. Jump to this side over here.
Let's go. Get her done. Ooh, look at that big jump. Jump, Odge.
Follow the rock. Follow that rock.
Jump. Let's do it. All right, Monkey Rock. Monkey Rock. There's Monkey Rock right there. It's the Monkey Rock. All right, this ought to be interesting. I don't know why it's so hazy. Oh, the sun.
How am I supposed to get there?
Come on. All right, now these are the signs I like to see right here. Look at that. There it is. All right, next 1.5 miles of fun. Here, we'll take you along for a little piece of it here. Ooh, look at that. I like that. All right, that was a good climb there. That was probably 100 yards or so. A pretty good climb. How was the climb, girls?
Good.
They're exhausted. No words. All right, let's carry on. Okay, I wish the sun wasn't right there. They can't get a good view.
Daddy, hurry up.
How steep it is. There, I don't really know how far we are up, but I did a bad view from here. Take a little break. We gotta be halfway or better. Maybe we're almost there. All right, a little windy up here. We made it to the top. Trail dead ends at Overlook, 1/3 of a mile. We'll go to the Overlook. Okay, I do gotta say, if you make it all the way up to the top, definitely come out to the scenic Overlook. It's worth it. Our campers, as far as you can see, like straight that way, and then see that rock ledge right next to that is where we are. All right, if you make it up here, definitely come out the scenic Overlook. It's worth the 1/3 mile out, and then you got to turn around and go back, but it's worth it. All right, a little snack at the top, a little break before we go back down. All right, let's add one more thing. Even down on the campground or the campsite, 0 cell phone service. You get up on top of the mountain, you hike all the way up here, 0 cell phone service. I just want to make that clear. Don't plan on having any cell phone service of any kind. All right, we're here. We just hiked out here. Now we're gonna go back and then go make this trail here, back here, and then back to the truck. All right. Oh yeah, that's cool. I think. So we're kind of on a rock cliff here, ledge. See way down, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm pointing the right spot, but like right there, there's a little hut of some sort. And then if you look way down there, there's a, looks like the trail. This could be this trail, I don't know. Looks like it when we get down there. That's cool. All right, we're gonna cross the top. Now we're gonna start going back down. We'll see how it is on the way back down. It's as rocky as it was on the way up. I think my guess is gonna be it's gonna be easier. less rocky. Obviously it's gonna be easier. We're going down instead of up, but all right, let's see what happens. All right, that's what it looks like going down. Whole bunch of rock, but not bad. What you waiting for there, pup? Huh? Are you getting tired? All right, so I was right when I was up top. That is we were way up here, right there. Now we're going down that right there. So not a bad hike, really. All right, and we made it to 1.5 miles. This is the other end of it. Same sign going up this side. All right, we're here. This is the top right here. Right there's the overlook. That is 100% top. Now you come here. This is so you walk across the ridge. It ain't bad. It's just flat right there. And you get to like right here, and this is straight down to here. And then this is pretty flat. That piece there. All right. All right. One more time from the bottom. We were way up there. We were way up here. We walked that whole ridge.
That's so good.
It's a thirsty pup. At least she found some water. All right, let's see what this billy goat can do. Up. You're going up right there. Right there, go. There's that billy goat. She's a climbing machine. So after you come down off the rocks, the hard climb, this is what it looks like. It's all flat, nothing to it. And I think it's like about 1 mile or so of this flat stuff. So you got 1 mile on that side, 1 mile on this side of flat. We just finished how many miles? About 4 or about 5.5, 6. Yeah, I really don't know how many miles for sure, but so we started from here. No, we didn't. We parked here. We started here. We went up this all the way around here. This is the top. That's right all the way to the top. And then right here, so it's all flat up top. And then you start coming down here, and you're down right there. And then it's a flat walk from there all the way back. Well, to here, because we parked here, so we came down here and then went across here. So there you go. And we made this little hike here and then back, which if you make the hike, you have to do this. Here you go. You probably think I'm crazy for seeing real live armadillos, but guess what? Here's another one. It's the first time I've ever seen a real live armadillo.
Better stop.
There's another one. Oh. There he is.
He's cute. Yeah, that's
And you can get right up close to him. All right, that hike today that we were on, it was about 3 hours. It took us 3 hours. It was, I would say, just over 5 miles. 3 hours, 5 miles hiking through there. This is the favorite part of Texas so far. We've been kind of all over Texas, and from the Dallas to the coast. I guess this is the far west we've been. Right now where we are, Lost Maples Natural Area. This is the furthest west we've been, and if you want an out west feel, this feels like out west right here. So far, it even smells like it. It smells like Wyoming, Montana. Smells like it does out there. So yeah, pretty cool so far. This is the best part of Texas so far.